Hey there, Monster Gardeners. Welcome back to Tip of the Week. Today we're going to be talking about light movers. There's a lot of good reasons why you might need a light mover. There's a couple reasons why you might not. For all you guys that are growing with double-ended fixtures and they have shorter ceiling heights, or you're growing in a tent, you're worried about heat, this is a good way to control heat like that because it spreads out the light across the canopy so there's less hot spots. It allows you to place the light closer to the canopy so you get deeper penetration and more formation of flowering sites lower down. So this leads to a more even canopy and basically helps you to spread out the light over a larger area. But it's important to note that it does not replace a lamp. So the old adage that watts equals weight is still true. So replacing a light with one of these isn't going to increase your yield, but it is going to get you a more even canopy. So these are made in America. They have a full 2-year warranty. It's only 12 volts, 9 watts. It takes less than 1 amp of energy. This particular model, the 4.0, allows you to adjust not only the speed, but the time delay. You'll notice right now that if you look at the mover while it's moving, it'll actually stop, wait for a moment or two, and then continue the other direction. And that's fully adjustable. You can stop that, you can speed it up, you can add a lamp with the different add-a-lamp kits, you can do the light bar kit to utilize DE lighting with this fixture. In short, it can do a lot of good things for you. But again, it does not replace a light. Thanks for tuning in, Monster Gardeners. We'll see you next time.